Samsung is working on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 along with other essential parts. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 can bring some good deals and potentially a better S Pen since we started getting rumors about it. Meanwhile, don't expect a big price drop on Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Samsung planned to launch Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with its younger brother Z Flip 4. Galaxy Watch 5 with 3 models and new Galaxy Buds. With these products in line, Samsung already predicted record sales and started both phones' production, especially their displays, where Z Fold 4 accounted for 30% production and Z Flip 4 will be 70%. Last year, it was 35 for Fold 3 and 65 for Flip 3. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Do you want to see an updated S Pen in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? According to Anthony on Twitter, Samsung is going to launch multiple devices along with Z Fold 4. But what most important is Galaxy Z Fold 4 S Pen. He claimed improved Fold Edition S Pen. According to the previous leaks that we were getting last month, S Pen mass production was started. So the improved S Pen will be here. But how much improved? Like one of my subscriber claims to scratch their phone while using S Pen. So I hope Samsung worked on this to give a better user experience with the new S Pen. Although we are not getting a built-in S Pen with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. As of now, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 price is not out yet. But some of the industry analysts says Z Fold 4 will be cheaper than the Z Fold 3, and some of them confirm around $100 standing at $70-$99. But what makes this more appealing, the Samsung may surprise you putting additional while pre-orders the Galaxy Z Fold 4 as they did with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So you can get a better deal with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, maybe new Galaxy Buds or special discounts for pre-orders. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to come with Snapdragon 1 Plus as the official event date is out and we may see on 20th May 2022, along with inner and outer display changes where we see new aspect ratios. 6:5 instead of 5:4 and 23:9 instead of 24:5:9. Samsung is going to put new single lane design with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is much more lighter and durable. And sad to say, Samsung is not updating Galaxy Z Fold 4 battery, same 4400 mAh just with the better optimization. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Do you want to see an updated S Pen in Galaxy Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.